So guys, I just received my Revo Speed from Rydell.com. I've already took out the box, and I've already put the chin strap on because I was really excited about getting it. So here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna do a full review of it. I don't know if you can see it too well in the light. Manufacturer certified. Initial season 2015. Maximum life 10 years. Annual recertification. Right out. Here's the sticker. Warning: no helmet can prevent serious head or neck injuries that a player might receive while participating in football. Do not use a helmet to butt, ram, or spear an opposing player. Blah blah blah, a whole bunch of rules. Set that aside. It's a really bad helmet if you ask me. Especially like the face mask, the 3-bar. I'm not sure what this is called. I'll look online in a minute, or not in a minute, in a few hours. Come back and tell y'all. So yeah, you get free stuff when you buy from Revo. You get free air pad pump and the free glycerin for the needle. Yeah, there's a pump to pump up these things right here. These. So yeah. Yep, I don't need it pumped up. But yeah. We set the pump aside too. Here's the glycerin that comes with it. So the needle glycerin for use as a lubricant. Caution: causes irritation. Avoid contact with eyes. Use with adequate ventilation. Avoid heated vapors. Keep out of reach of children. And first aid, call physician, part number R45935. Yeah, so we're gonna set that aside too. I'm gonna remind you that this is for the needle. You stick this in the needle, and then you stick the needle in the hole. Yeah. I've already took this off of the side of the helmet that it came on. Warning: don't move this card until helmet is issued. Player and his red understand warning statement on the reverse side of the card and inside the helmet. Blah 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 blah. This is the same thing as this. Same thing as this. So I'm not gonna read it again. Yeah. Quick fit guide. Don't need it. Already fitted it. Fits perfect on me. Measure, all that bull crap nobody cares about. Pump up these, yep, on the side. Push it down there. Yeah, we're gonna set that aside on the pump and the 2 pieces of paper. It can't. The bag. Here's the really cool bag that it came in. The helmet itself. Rydell protect and perform. Pretty big bag, to be honest with you. Yeah. Here's the box. I kind of ripped it open, so yeah, I was so excited about getting it, so I just ripped it open. So, and it's just a really good helmet. Like the padding on the inside. I don't know if you can see it too well because it's dark in here, but it's really soft. That's what I really like about it, because I need to protect my head from when I'm playing football. These jaw pads, they move over. Both of them. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And yeah, one more thing. If you're a lineman and you're looking for a good helmet, this is the one. Rydell Revolution Speed, or 360, or the Speed Flex. I just went with this one because I personally like the Speed Flex or the 360. So yeah, and anybody can really have a radial speed, but I just like this one. Yep. So check it out on YouTube. See ya.